Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox the Thinkpad. Well, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Lenovo Thinkpad. So recently, if you have been following my channel, well, tech, in our channel, you would have known that we've recently unboxed the Lenovo's IdeaPad. And I thought it would be a fun review, like opening up the ThinkPad, and I got one. So the box is really small. Well, you may ask, why are you doing so many tech videos on laptops? Well, it is me. So let's get into it. So what we're gonna do first is let's open this up, and uh, okay, I've already opened the like tape so that it's easier during the video. So that's gotta be easy, and let's get into it. Alright, so I got it open. Let's get into it. So I opened the tape, and everything else is gonna be fresh. Well, I like the way the ThinkPad, Think, and the I is presented, and Lenovo has done a cool job, like putting it together, like the unboxing experience. So that's something that I want to mention. And since the box is really lightweight, I don't feel much weight inside. So this is the laptop itself. Well, I didn't get the protection from this side. It's probably stuck inside. Anyways, it's fine. So as you can see, the laptop itself is really small. So if that's my hand, so basically a man's hand, and that's how big it is. And now we have what else is included. Well, we have a user manual, and we also have a charger for that. So basically, as we saw before, all the Lenovo unboxings, Lenovo laptops. So you have again 64-watt Type C charger. So yeah, as you can see, it's mentioned right here. I don't know if it is visible in camera, but like I'm trying to show 5 watts. So I'll probably make a video on chargers and the latest flagship phones. If you want to take a look at that one, stay tuned, subscribe with the notifications. And I'll also probably make a video on all the laptops I have lying around all over my place. Well, now I'm at studio, so yeah. I already have like the same ThinkPad, so the smaller version, smaller display. So that's gotta be for the unboxing. It's lightweight, and all I can say is it's clean, it's nice, and you have 3 ports on that side and 2 USBs, and I guess this is a HDMI, but not kind of sure. And this is the headphone jack, and you have the Type C port, which is for charging. I really love how they include a charger, and this would be really nice for presentations and stuff, since you can hold it with one hand. In well, the weight, it's not really heavy. Well, nearly compared to MacBooks, it's kind of heavy, but like it's gotta be okay. It's a laptop anyways. So let's I'm just gonna put a balance right here. So I'm gonna put a weight machine right here and show it to you guys live. Since the laptop itself is so small, I wanted to show how heavy it is. So let's go ahead and do that live right now. So right here we have like a weight machine. So I'm gonna put the laptop right on, and there's nothing extra added. It's with the battery, so the battery weight will be included, and nothing else is connected, as you can see. So the weight's gonna be genuine, and I'm gonna put it in. So it is 1,600 grams, so near 1.6 kgs, so 2,000 grams. That's not bad for a laptop, since I've seen heavier laptops, and yeah. So that's gotta be it, I guess, for the unboxing video. I just mentioned how heavy it was since I felt it's worth mentioning, because the laptop itself is such a small laptop and it can be easily carried around. The key elements I wanted to mention is it's really light. I mean, maybe not to the lightest in light, but like it's not heavy. It's small and compact. And the second advantage is if you have an Android phone. Well, for me, I basically use Android as my daily driver, so it's really helpful having a Type C in a laptop like this. So we can charge. I mean, I can charge my phone at the same time, and this thing includes a way fast 64 watt. So most of the flagship devices come with 45 watts, I guess. So it's gonna be faster than the charger included in your box. But if you have one of those crazy bands which include like 120-watt charging, well, probably this might be slow for you. But anyways, having a good charger included in box is really nice. And gotta had a small finishing touch. So the laptop itself is really smooth, and the ThinkPad like stands out. So it's kind of rough, and you can like feel it when, well, if you close your eyes and like scroll around, you can like feel it with the touch. So that's really nice finish, and that's gotta be it for the unboxing video of the ThinkPad. Well, I mean, I really want to show the second one, like my old one. So I already have a old ThinkPad, and like it's gonna be featured in a separate video with other laptops, but like I'm just gonna go back home and get that one to studio. So yeah, and here it is. So well, this I've been using it for like, I mean, a year now, so you can literally see the difference on color. So this is completely black and this is filled with dust. Well, this is not my main driver, but like I take it to place. I mean, I mostly don't use keys. I prefer bigger laptops since my PC is really big. I'm used to big screens. But I still have these lying around, so I want to make a video. So since I had this one at home, well, why not? We can buy a new one and do an unboxing video on that one. So that's gotta be it for today's video, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.